Hello everyone, hello, I'm here. My name is Anna and I'm a visual artist and fashion illustrator. In this video I would like to show you how I'm starting to work on my fashion illustration. And this video is going to be more practical than theoretical, because I will show you how I'm starting to work on open call, very important one, open call, and how I will choose the look, the outfit for this illustration right with you right here. So you can see my process, you can maybe find some tips and so on. So let's start. First of all, a little bit of some info for you about this illustration. It's illustration for an open call, as I said before. This open call is for my adorable Joy community, fashion illustration community. So, of course, they have a very good page. It looks like this. It's their website. So here you can see this open call page. The owner of this community is really doing a great job. As you can see, here is the landing of this open call, the main picture. So it's Schiaparelli, my favorite Schiaparelli. So that's how it looks like. We have deadlines here, and what is very important, live Q&A. Which Marcus, the owner of this community, made just yesterday. He was answering the questions about this open call, which is very important. So here we can see what you need to do, and so on and so on. Just look at it. Yes. So how to send some notes, some tips, and so on. I am submitting my works for this community for a long time, so I already know all this information about how to send, whom to send, and so on. But everything is written here, so it's very important. It's very useful while you're starting to work on a fashion illustration for an open call. So I just wanted to show you the perfect page where you can find all the information about open call. Well, as I said before, this open call is going to be very, very important, because it's made with Schiaparelli team. So they will be looking our works, they will be choosing, and as far as I know, they will be even posting our works which they will be choose for. They will be posting it on their page, which is very important, which is very cool for our portfolio, of course. So we know the theme. Yes, it's written here: Schiaparelli Haute Couture, fall-winter 2022. So I'm doing it this way. While I'm reading everything that is written here, I'm doing this way. I'm opening my favorite app, which I showed you before. So this is Walk Runway app, where you can find all the latest fashion shows. So we just need to find their Schiaparelli. Here they are. So this collection is our Haute Couture latest one. So what I need to do now is to choose the outfit I would like to paint for this open call. Let's do it together. Before I would like to tell and show you that I already painted the illustration from this collection. Here it is. I'm of course in love with all these earrings. What is more, they have a cool option here, details, so we can find some close-ups. So I'm going to search the work I already painted and show you my result. Where it is, where it is. Cuckoo, cuckoo, I missed it. I missed it somehow. It's gorgeous, can't you see? So, and show you what I did already. So here is my illustration already made from this stunning collection. I spent lots of time while I was painting this earring, but it's worth it. I'm very satisfied with this my job, with this my illustration. So, okay, we have it. Now let's go to choose a new one outfit that I'm going to paint and to submit to this gorgeous open call. So I already looked, you know, while you're a fashion illustrator, while you're watching all these shows, you quite already know all these looks. And of course I have some favorites here. Of course I was thinking about drawing some massive earrings again, like this one. It's stunning grapes, you see, it's amazing. So first I was thinking to paint this outfit, but then I wanted to choose something more. So I think it's not typical for me, because there are lots of white here, and I'm not a big fan of white color. I prefer more black and something like that. But I already see how I can figure it out. I also love these details, you see, all these earrings, a bird here, also these grapes. This combined outfit, you see, here it's like short one, and here it's such a massive kind of dress. So I think that I'm going to paint this one, but who knows, I can change my mind. But right now I'm going to start today, so I'm thinking about this one. Also, I want to tell you about one tip for fashion illustrators, which is really important. It's written, by the way, on the page of Draw-a-Dot-Open-Call. It's like a warning. Marcus always writing about this, and it's really important. While you are entering any open call, fashion illustration open call, of course you just can take the picture as it is and draw it like an image from a runway photo. You can just redraw this image. Of course you can add some of your personal style details and so on. You can make it interesting, you can make it really good, but please remember that brands and those who are making fashion illustration open calls absolutely don't like while you are painting an image from a runway image, better say that like this one. Your main purpose is to take this outfit, maybe to take some details like red lips, like maybe if you are painting faces, this model's face, and to make a very different story with this. I suggest you to, while you're starting the illustration for the brand, I think you need to look more images, to maybe read a history of this brand, to understand their values, their ideas, and so on. So as we know, Schiaparelli is a very surrealistic brand, and it connects so much with my style. As you know, I am painting some surrealistic abstract figurative works. So of course you need to know more about the brand while you're starting to work on all these details. It's adorable, you see. By the way, you can mix some different looks into one artwork. It's gonna be great. For example, you can put more than one figure on your illustration, so it's gonna be very cool. So it's maybe what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll mix some outfits. I really love these grape earrings, and maybe I'll combine this look, this, with the one I showed you before, with this one. Oh, sorry, not this one. Maybe I'll make two figures. Stunning, you see. Schiaparelli is one of my favorite brands. So, this is my message for you. So, while you are choosing what to draw for an open call or for your personal fashion illustration, just be brave, just listen to your heart, just follow your style, and everything is gonna be cool. So I'm wishing good luck for myself for this open call, because while you're working on your favorites brands illustration, it always means a lot. And of course, I'm wishing good luck to everyone who is going to be taking a part on this open call. So it's gonna be cool, I think. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.